What's going on? James Bondi's here. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to create a very, very easy, irresistible offer for any niche in your local marketing agency. And you're going to do it by the time we're done with this video. So if you take a look at my screen here, I'm going to show you the lazy way, but effective way to create offers in like 10 minutes. There's going to be a cheat code to creating them. I'm going to show you how to create an offer in any niche. I don't care if it's plumbing, med spa, roofing, new windows, home improvement. It doesn't matter. It literally doesn't matter. Okay. It's so easy once you follow this framework that you're going to be able to do it. You're going to be able to create one in any niche that you want, like right after this video. And then how to take that and create an ad, specifically a Facebook ad, or you could do it on a landing page, whatever it might be. Specifically one of those, right? If you're running pay-per-click advertising, you can create the offer on a landing page. But either way, it's effective, okay? With pay-per-click, you can literally send them to like a 2-page site with an offer, a guarantee if you want, and a form to fill out, and you're going to get leads after leads. I don't care what niche it is, and I'm going to prove that right here, right now. All right, so you're going to be able to do these 3 things by the time I'm done. So let's just like literally jump right into it. So if I go over, I just sent these to my, so if you can see here, right? So this is a home improvement magazine. I have it right in front of me here. YouTube, if you're looking at this video, this is publication, so that shouldn't be a problem. I grab these like anytime I'm in a grocery store, hence why I actually choose to go grocery shopping instead of ordering it online, because I'll go there and grab the new one that comes out every single month. I actually subscribe to some. I don't know if I have it here, but you guys know what it is. You get these home improvement ones. You get like this one here. Like this comes in my mail. I always keep all my junk mail because it is the easiest way to create offers, because the offers are already created for you. Okay. So if I take a look at, let's specifically do this one. So Magnolia Home Remodeling Group. All right. Let's say I have a client, home remodeling. Okay. And their offer, or they don't know what their offer is, we call it a CQI, right? We're just qualifying them. If I'm speaking with them, you can watch this video here that talks about that. And once I get all their information, I can create their offer very easily. Matter of fact, I can create an offer for them before I even talk to them as a client. What better way to build value, right? It's because you're going to be able to do it in like 10 minutes. And I'm looking here at what other people are doing in the niche that I'm in or the clients that I'm going after. All right. We're not here to reinvent the wheel. We're not here to be like the best copywriter on the world. We're marketers, but specifically local business marketers. And so I don't need to go and buy courses on copywriting and all that stuff. Like I know how to get leads for businesses. I know how to run pay-per-click advertising. I know how to run Facebook ads. Therefore, the only thing that I would be missing would be the offer creation, right? And so if businesses are paying to be in these home improvement magazines, and I see them every single month, their offers are working. So I'm not going to go and try to create it. With that being said, okay, on this one, you can see interior and exterior remodeling, family owned, blah, 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 100% financing, 30 years experience. And then here's the payment plans, right? So I'm going to build my offer around this, all right? And so what I do is, all right, so this is like my cheat way to do it. And even if you go here, like roofing problems, we've got you covered. Siding, doors, windows, roofing. Okay, so here it is. No interest up to 24 months. So financing. So financing is a very simple and easy way to use for creating your offers. Always ask that if you're doing a qualification interview. Always make sure that you know if they can offer financing. All right, so let's go back over here. So essentially, I use these magazines for cheat codes. All right. And they have tons and tons of offers in here, like tons. Like this one here, which I absolutely love this one, because people don't think that for HVAC that you can create an offer for HVAC, and it's simply not true. Matter of fact, one of the big things that a lot of these HVAC guys are doing is this one right here, Furnace Tune-Up Special. I don't know if you could see that. And this is great too, because it gets them on a recurring basis, $79.99 per system. Right? And every year they renew. Okay. And so I'm going to go down here, and this is the template that I use. You're essentially going to call out the audience with urgency and scarcity. I'm going to do this right now. You're going to repeat the scarcity while explaining the offer. You're going to repeat the urgency while giving a broad benefit, and then reveal what the benefit actually is and stack the value within that benefit, and then tell the audience what to do. Okay. And so if I'm going to call out the audience with urgency and scarcity, let's do it with that Magnolia group. All right. I'm going to simply use the simplest possible way in the local area to call out an audience with scarcity without like being obvious about it, right? So where are they located? Let's do it like that. So looking for 25 scarcity homeowners, right, in Passaic County. The urgency and scarcity are one in another, okay? The 25. All right, so you're saying, all right, I'm a homeowner, but they're only taking 25. Repeat scarcity while explaining the offer. Okay, I'm going to change this from Passaic County to North Jersey. You can edit, you can do it however you want. You could do North Jersey, you could do like Wayne, New Jersey, you could do just New Jersey, right? It doesn't matter as long as the client can cover those areas, right? If they're a specific area, you're going to do like, Passaic County will cover these different areas, right? Maybe 8, 9 towns. But let's do North Jersey because it says North Jersey on here. Looking for 25 homeowners in North Jersey. Install a brand new kitchen, because I'm just pick one of the offers that they have. Now they'll tell you like, hey, I want to sell more of this, so you could do that. Brand new kitchen that may, I would say, install a brand new kitchen through our brand new home. We could just call it this brand new kitchen evaluation program, right? So essentially, the cool thing here is like you can kind of call it anything you want, right? And you're gonna see what I'm actually talking about as I move lower. So let me just go through it and then I'll go back up. Repeat urgency while giving broad benefit. If you qualify for the program, I added it to this. If you qualify for the program, you can save thousands off the total cost, right? Now, we're going to reveal here what the actual benefit is, all right? And we're going to stack the value. But before we do that, I'm going to throw in here, I'm going to throw in here, just to make sure that they understand, must apply, let's see, program only open for the next 90 days. Let's throw that in there. All right, reveal what the benefit actually is and stack the value. I'm going to say here is all kitchens offer 100% financing for as little as $389 per month. Okay, and then down here we're going to tell you what are we going to tell them to do? We're going to do this. We're going to say smash the learn more below to see if you qualify. Okay, so basically what we're doing here, let me see this is a little bit better. All right, so think about this from the perspective of this. Here is what the ad looks like, okay? Meaning like from this. Now, how much better would it be if I went to Magnolia Home Remodeling and I said, look, let me run an ad in the same area that you're running this ad in, and I'm saying looking for 25 homeowners in North Jersey, looking for 25 homeowners in North Jersey to install a brand new kitchen through our brand new kitchen evaluation program. Or we could put our new kitchen evaluation program, right? If you qualify for the program, you can save thousands off the total cost. Program will only open for the next 90 days. All kitchens offer 100% financing for as little as $389 per month if approved. Smash the learn more below to see if you qualify. And so essentially, this is a great start to run an ad, right? You could do this for anything. And let me pick another one real quick, and I'll probably speed this one up. So here's one now, complete home remodeling, okay? Again, low monthly payments, 100% financing, 0% for up to 18 months. So maybe on this one, since I already know what they're offering, like when it comes to that, I would say looking for 25 homeowners in North Jersey, roof. North Jersey, to install a brand new roof through our new roof evaluation program. Okay, if you qualify for the program, you can save thousands off the total cost. Program only open all roofs. Offer 100% financing for as little as, it says it on here, $109 a month. If approved, plus 18 months, 0% financing. Okay? And then you tell them what to do. All right? And so I could flip through this and I can create an offer for anything that I want to here. Right? I'm just going to look for one more before I end this. And here, nope. And by the way, not all of these offer good offers. And that's why you see them like going all the way back. So here's one. Windows and patio doors. Okay. 0 money down, 0% interest, 0 monthly payments for 12 months. Buy one, get one 40% off. Windows and patio doors. Ready? Looking for 25 homeowners in North Jersey. Looking for 25 homeowners in North Jersey to install and we've been running these survey funnels since 2016. They are gangbusters. They work like crazy, right? Apply, fill it out, and then you know they're serious. And you have to be able to give this offer. Can't just make up an offer you can't do. But I get all of my ideas for new clients right from these magazines. I never didn't, right? I don't go anywhere else but those. I keep all of these flyers. And so basically, you can build any offer you want in any industry you want using the cheat code of creating offers, which is those magazines. And you can just use the framework to create any offer in any niche, which you can then create any ad in any niche. It goes like this, 1, 2, 3. So that's the 1, 2, 3 punch for creating offers in any niche. If you guys have any questions, comment down below, smash the like button, and help this push out to other agency owners that might want to, that might need help with creating offers. See you on the next one.